nothing is impossible. So, maniwala tayo na lahat ng pangarap matutupad. Hello guys! So, time check now is 10 minutes before 10 p.m. So, ito yung itsura ng Eiffel Tower sa gabi. And later on, after 10 minutes, or 11 p.m., merong mag-spark dyan. So, yun yung aabangan namin kasi yun yung super famous na spark every night. Ang ganda niya, nakakatuwa. So, talagang inaabangan siya ng mga tao, ng mga turista. Pero imagine nyo, magda 10 p.m. na pero grabe, liwanag pa rin. Asan na sila Besh? Grabe, imagine, hindi ko po ina-expect. I never imagined this in my life, in my entire life, na makakapunta ko dito. Yun, grabe. Really, dreams do come true. So, yun. Masasabi ko lang na talagang maniwala ka and maniwala ka sa Lord because everything is possible despite on what is happening sa buhay mo. Basta just trust the Lord and love your family. I think that's the best thing and that's yung faith na kailangan mo talagang instill din sa heart and mind mo. So, nothing is impossible. So, maniwala tayo na lahat ng pangarap matutupad. So, look at that. So, thank you, Lord. Thank you so much for everything. And of course, thank you so much sa company ko na nagbigay ng ganitong experience.